Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to show you how to put on false eyelashes in this video. False eyelashes instantly amp up the look. There are different styles available which you can choose from. I've used very simple ones in this demo, so let's begin. So the first thing that I'm going to do is take a mirror. It's magnified on one side and it's normal on the other. And I'm going to keep it like below my face level. So it's not going to be straight like this, it's going to be here. I've picked up these lashes in bulk for my kit. And yes, the lashes which are placed on the right are for the right eye and the ones placed on the left are for the left eye. So the next thing that I'm going to do is apply a mascara. I'm not going to apply like a lot, but just like a few coats on both the eyes. I've removed this eyelash from the box and as you can see it's quite long. Can you see it? Yes. And if I have to just place it as it is on my eye, it will probably go from here all the way here. So what you have to do is you have to cut it up. While you cut it, first if your eyelash has an extra thread ahead, you can just nick that off. So as you can see in this eyelash, the strands here are shorter and longer on this side. So the strands which are shorter will come towards the inner corner of the eyes and the ones which are longer will go towards the sides. Now if I go to place my eyelash just like this, it's going to be really long and it will just exceed the eye area, so we need to cut it up. So your lashes can start from here and go all the way up to here. You need not stick them right from the inner corners of the eyes. Once I've measured the width across which the eyelash has to fit, I'm just going to take a scissor and cut this out. I can go back and forth with this. Once you've got the measurement correct, you're going to take your eyelash glue. Keep these tweezers handy with you. You take some glue and just apply it. Can you see it? Just apply it on the lash like this. Here, I've applied it evenly, and once you've applied it, make sure that you give it at least 30 to 45 seconds for it to dry. If you put it immediately, it's going to be a mess. And once you've applied it, just fold it a little bit like that. Yeah, so that it acquires some shape. Don't worry about the glue drying up. It's okay if you take some time to place it on your eyelashes. Now here I go. Look down and just place it like that. Place it in the center and just push it towards the edges. Make sure it is just where your lash line begins and just gently keep pushing it across the entire region. Keep your eye closed and just keep pushing it. Just make sure you open up your eye once in a while. You don't want to be in a situation where your upper eyelid and below eyelid are stuck like this. So yeah. Now once you've glued it, just take your tweezer and be very careful, don't hurt your eye. Just merge your natural eyelash and the false eyelash. Yeah, here you go. Now I'm going to take my second eyelash and like before, just trim it up. So I'm going to just cut the threads here and just take some of that eyelash glue and apply it. Now here, once I've applied it, I'm gonna just twist it again like that. Wait for a few seconds. And place it on my eye. I'm gonna just close my eyes. And apply it and stick it. I hope you can see me. You can either push the eyelashes with your tweezer, or if you find convenient, you can just use your fingertips. Just make sure your hands are dry. So yeah, it's done. Now the next thing that you need to do is just do some touch up. So just take your eyeliner and just run it through once again.
So, well, yeah, that's how they finally look. Of course, one learns with practice and gets more seasoned with time. Hit the like button if this video helps and click here for more makeup looks. Do subscribe to my channel for more updates, and of course, you can read my wellness blogs on www.fashiontourist.co. So, yeah, that's it for now. Goodbye and see you soon.